From the jaw-dropping beauty of Lake Brienz to the magical landscape of Lauterbrunnen, we are once again striking out another dream destination from our bucket list. So where are we heading next? Apart from this train, we are taking another form of transportation just to get there. Pero bago yon, mahaba-habang lakaran ito. Ready na ba kayong mapagod at hingalin? Dahil dadalhin namin kayo sa pamosong bundok ng Switzerland kung saan may snow. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy a quick adventure to one of Switzerland's stunning villages, Grindelwald. Hello everyone! We are taking you to another breathtaking escape in the Jungfrau region, the German-speaking part of Switzerland. With that being said, let's start the video by learning how to say hello in their local dialect. Hi! Hallo! Hoi zusammen! Hoi zusammen! Grüezi! 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 Grüezi miteinander! For that complete Swiss experience, sound like a local and just say, "Si." Once again, "Si." The village of Grindelwald offers jaw-dropping views, amazing hikes, and a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're a nature lover who finds joy in the sight of incredible mountain ranges, an adventure seeker, or a curious traveler, Grindelwald has something for everyone. So wait no more. Together, let's dive and immerse ourselves into the beauty of this alpine paradise. To Grindelwald, we go. Tickets.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Tickets are checked in random. Hindi mo alam kung kailan sila mag-check. So you just have to be ready. Ganda! Going down. Bago pumunta dito sa Switzerland, nagpaalam na ako sa asawa ko na bala kong mag-paraglide. May nagpa-paraglide lang po. Pero sa ganitong panahon, medyo windy, parang tinubuan ako ng kaba. I'm a little adventurous, pero not that much of a risk taker. Actually, kung hindi ka naman masyadong kakain sa mga restaurant, hindi siya ganun kamahal. Kasi sa restaurant naman ang makakain mo din sa Pilipinas. Diba? So, pwede kang pumunta sa mga groceries. Mas reasonable yung price. I am letting you know, para hindi kayo ma-intimidate pumunta sa mga ganitong bansa. Yes, ang naririnig natin, mahal siya. That is kung lagi kayong kakain sa restaurant. But if you go to the local grocery, reasonable yung price. Nice, no? Nice.
Binigyan sila napakaganda ng bundok, nilagyan pa ng toppings. Ito ba naman yung pinagpala?
Asawa ko. Amaze na amaze. Hindi, kasi maganda naman talaga. Pero siya yung tipo. Makikita doon. Oh, ayan. Tingnan mo. Mayat maya. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Saan tayo picture?
No, no. Sí, se le me da.
Medyo gloomy yung panahon. Tsaka malamig. Yung asawa mo nang tinatanong mo, gusto mong sumama sa Switzerland. Ayoko. Ayaw pa raw niya, ha? Anong titingnan mo doon? Pero pagdating dito, mayat maya. Picture tayo. Plum.
Pwede pumitas yan, basta ikakainin mo lang. Kapalad ko sa vlog.
Ah, talaga? Dun sa harap, tingnan natin. Yung harap ng snow-capped mountains. Snow-capped mountains. Yun na, para makita mo. May snow na siya. Kakahingan siya, ha? Promise, ha? With the Eurail Pass, you get it half the price. So 34 Swiss francs round trip, going up and down. Okay, so we are taking the cable car. There. Sikat na pasyalan ang Grindelwald dito sa Switzerland simula pa noon, but it became even more popular because of the K-drama Crash Landing on You. Going on the exact shooting location has been a sought-after activity since then. So to get there, you have to get Grindelwald Top of Adventure cable car tickets first. You can buy tickets online or you may buy tickets on site, just like what we did. Dalawa lang kami. Yahoo! There you have. Love. Hello. Love, pakita mo yan. Okay lang. Yan. We're going up. Nakabahan ka, love? Nervyos ka, be?
방문해 주셔서 감사드리며 즐거운 하루 되시기를 바랍니다.
Sa totoo lang, ano na yan, takot na yan. Dulak na yan. Kinakanta na lang siya.
Próxima estación, final de trayecto, walk, fire, tienda, restaurante, solarium, lago de Backout, ruta de la marmota. Señores pasajeros, ya pueden bajar. Les agradecemos su visita y les deseamos que disfruten del día.
Kamusta? Buhay pa? Buhay pa.
Di ba ang sarili? Naman, may ewan puro na.
Ticket yung ticket. Here we are on the top of the world, town on creation. May yellow dito, may yellow. O, diba? Pag-uwi natin sa Pilipinas, first view. Pag-uwi natin sa Pilipinas, napakainit. Pero, pagdating dito, oh, ayan, may niebe. May yellow. May ice. Ganda. May ice. Woo! Punta tayo doon. Ganda. Woo! Exercise ito. Huh? It's nice. Woo! Kaya natin to. Oh.
High altitude.
Oh, may pasayan si Doc Otep.
So bakit nga ba tayo hinihingal kapag umaakyat tayo sa matataas na lugar? It is because as we go higher up, the atmosphere gets thinner, meaning the available oxygen gets less. So every time you breathe, the lesser oxygen you take in higher altitude. So what you do, you punt, you breathe faster to compensate for that little oxygen you take in. That's the reason why you punt or hinihingal tayo every time nag-hike tayo.
We're on the top. Dito. Ah, tara. Pipicture daw muna. Wow. Nice view. Wait lang. Isa pa. Love picture mo ako dito. Hello.
Tara, puntahan natin Yorns. Haba naman ng pila doon. Ayoko naman na magpa-picture doon. Woo! Kakalula. Ang haba ng pila, dear. Matapos ang mahabang paghihintay, it's finally our turn. Sulit ang tagal ng pagpila dahil napakaganda ng view. Pabalik na kami. Sulit. Kahit medyo wala tayong makitang umuulan kasi naman. Wala tayong dalawa, my love. Hindi halatang kinakabahan ka, mahal.
Labis na nainis.
Ayun na, cable cars. Nice. Kakatuwa.
Di na ako sanay nang wala ka.
Ang mga niebe.
Ang nabubuting niebe.
Bababa pa tayo.
Going down.
Saya.
Soldier, bayuman.
Kinakanta mo yung ikanta mo, baby.
Labis na nainis. Nayaya mo.
By the way, bumaba kami dito sa station kung nasaan yung mga mountain carts. Kasi from the cable car, nakikita namin yung mga nagtatry ng mountain carts. Parang ang saya-saya. So yung asawa ko, gusto niyang masubukan. Medyo may takot siya sa heights. Pero yung mga ganitong adventure, parang gusto niyang itry. Gusto daw ito ng asawa ko. Unfortunately, they are done for the day. So, picture na lang bago tuluyang umuwi. Pauwi na tayo, pero bago yan, may isa pa tayong bubunuin sa ating bucket list. Restaurant Pinte. Ito yung restaurant na kakainan natin dito sa Grindelwald. We're trying Pinte.
Ano ang tawag sa ganitong dining?
Alfresco.
Alfresco dining.
Bango, no?
naman siya ganun kamahal. Pwede na, love, no?
What is your supper dish? Pag gusto mo try yung beer. Beer tayo.
Ayoko. Ikaw, mag-beer ka. Ayoko.
Cheers.
Find something for drink.
Beer? Ano? You want beer?
What is the good beer?
We have by draft the Lager or the Tanko. A Lager it's a white beer, the Tanko it's a dark beer.
Which one is good?
I recommend the Lager because it's the usual normal we drink.
Ah, yeah.
you know.
Just one.
What just one?
Medium or big?
Big.
Ah, ikaw.
Big.
Ano yun?
We just share.
No problem.
Yes, she doesn't drink.
Nagpaliwanag. We have fondue. What's that? Pickles.
Pickles.
And let's try. Let's try. Sarap.
Sarap. Ang klaseng cheese yun. Napakasarap.
Love pabot niya. We ordered a fondue recommended by our server, and as far as I can remember, this fondue was made up of 3 different kinds of cheese mixed with rum. Pangiting na no ano ko.
Tapang labs. Oh, gusto mo yan.
Actually, this is part of my bucket list. Kaya talagang hindi namin pinalagpas ang pagbisita sa Switzerland nang hindi natitikman ang kanilang popular cheese fondue.
Let's try.
Harap. Wala namang regrets dahil masarap siya. Showing you the facade ng restaurant na kinainan namin. It's Restaurant Pinte. So this restaurant is actually part of Grindelwald's oldest hotel, Hotel Pinte. So this restaurant has been serving quality traditional Swiss food since 1843. Tagal na, no? Dito kami kumain sa labas, alfresco style. Sa dami ng serving, hindi namin naubos yung cheese kasi medyo matapang. My love, how was it? Gusto ka ba?
Ito pala, pikotan mo.
Ano pa yan, tip? Pakalian. Oo. With a view. So, yan. Of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say this. Hindi ka pa nag-navigate, my love. Time is indeed fleeting when you're having fun. Just like that, our journey to the stunning village of Grindelwald has come to an end. It's been a trip filled with granted wishes, a dream no more. Being surrounded by nature's beauty and breathing in that fresh alpine air is worth the hike. If you've ever thought about visiting, well, this vlog is your sign to finally pursue it. It's not just about the views, it's about the feeling of being completely immersed in such a peaceful and breathtaking place. So this is how a train station in Switzerland looks like. Very clean. Trains are very long. As in.
So, yan. We're taking this train. We're waiting for 1 hour. Grabe, tagal. There. Haba, no? Tingnan mo, oh. Oh. Grabe.
I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as we did. Should you find this vlog entertaining and informative, please paki-like naman po and drop a comment below sharing what you'd want to do if you were here. Also, for more tips and trips, please subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful to have this experience and I can't wait to bring you along on the next one. We're about to reach the summit. Grabe, ang lamig. Until then,